Dear teachers, what is the funniest thing that you have heard a student ask or say? Substitute teacher here. Covered for an AP Cal class on a trip day, so it was a very small group of 5 seniors, and at the end of the year, they finished their work with plenty of time to spare. 2 had permission to go work on the school play, the rest of us played hangman. 1 student went with the category of Disney songs. I immediately guess it just by seeing the blanks. A dream is a wish your heart makes, and she was in shock, so I told her I was basically raised on Disney and still love it. Another student asked me what my GPA in college was, told him, and he looked at me in shock because he thought Disney adults are supposed to be idiots. Had a great laugh from that, immediately told my actual Disney adult cousin and her daughter once I got home, and they also had a good laugh. Honestly, I miss that AP crew. Always had a great time covering that class. Another was in a freshman art class. Honestly, I feel really bad for laughing at this, because it's not his fault education on this particular subject is basically non-existent, especially for a 14-year-old boy, but it was the bluntness of it that kinda sent me. 1 student asked me if I happened to have any extra pads or tampons on me, since the nurses kinda suck. Gave her one, then this boy just straight up asks, "Hey, do pads taste good?" What do you mean, do they taste good? Don't you have to eat the pads and tampons when you're done with them? No, that is incredibly unsanitary and would make you ill. Then how do girls get all that blood back? Honestly, it was hard not to burst out laughing at the absurdity of that statement, but I knew if I did, it would embarrass the kid even more. Thankfully from there, the girls in the class explained how periods were to him rather maturely and easily.